State champion was recently crowned in Van Wert. The effort didn't get the attention it probably deserved, as Sam Shriver reports the championship didn't happen on a basketball court or a football field. But for the kids involved, the dream of a national championship is within reach.
Meet Bessie, a robot that was built and programmed by Van Wert High School students. The robot took first place recently at the state championships in Cincinnati.
Oh my gosh, we were waiting around, just standing in the pit area, and the final score came up, and we just all went crazy. I mean, I jumped into my friend Jacob's arms. Mr. Spath came running down from the stands. He jumped on me and Jacob. We were all screaming at the top of our lungs. It was a great atmosphere.
Build team co-captain, senior Jacob Braun, hopes this experience leads him into the aerospace engineering field.
Basically, everything that I'm going to be doing in engineering is going to be part of a team. Very few times will we be working alone. So just getting that experience and working with everyone on certain aspects of the robot just all compiles into what's going to be my career and what I'm going to be doing with my life.
On Sunday, the Van Wert High School robotics team was practicing for its next challenge. The Super Regionals coming up later this week in Iowa.
We are heading out this Thursday morning at 6 a.m. It's about a 7 hour drive to Iowa City, Iowa, and are competing against 72 other teams from 13 states for hopefully a spot at the World Championships.
This is only the third year in existence for the Van Wert robotics team, and to come this far is really an accomplishment for the kids.
It's been a pretty steep learning curve since year one. We were a little naive the first year going into it, thinking that because we had an engineering program, we'd be pretty sharp. We showed up, and the competition is they're pretty strong competition out there. A lot of great teams in the state of Ohio and across the Midwest. Almost 100 teams in Ohio now.
The Super Regionals in Iowa run April 3rd through the 5th. Best of luck to the Van Wert High School robotics team. In Van Wert, Sam Shriver, your News Now.